Stop wasting times between sets. Your muscles don't grow from comfort, they grow from stress. A superset is simple. 2 exercises back to back. No rest. Not for the pump, but for maximum fiber recruitment. You take the muscle beyond initial fatigue into deeper levels of stimulation. This is efficiency. This is intensity. This is training the way it was meant to be done. One superset like this, done properly, is worth more than 5 lazy sets. So ask yourself, are you here to pass time or to force your body to adapt? Train less, train harder. That's how you grow. Stay strong, stay focused.